Cashy, making money is important, but how do people protect it? Protection starts with awareness, not fear. Most people only think about growth and forget that risk is always present. Is the market risky by nature? The market has risk. Ignoring it is riskier. So ups and downs are normal? Completely normal over time. Then why do people panic so easily? Because emotions react faster than logic. The news makes everything feel urgent. Urgency sells fear, not clarity. So protection means staying calm? Calm decisions protect money. What about diversification? Never put all your money in one place. So one mistake won't destroy everything. Exactly. Diversification reduces damage. Should people keep emergency savings? Always. That's your financial airbag. Life is unpredictable. Preparation turns surprises into inconveniences. Does long-term investing protect money? Time smooths volatility. Even during market drops? Especially during market drops. So selling in fear is dangerous. Fear locks losses in place. Planning makes protection possible. A plan removes guesswork. What about reviewing finances regularly? Regular checkups prevent big problems. Does lifestyle inflation increase risk? It silently weakens financial security. So discipline protects money too. Discipline is protection. Protecting money sounds boring. But it creates peace of mind. Peace is underrated. Stability is wealth's foundation. So protection is part of growth. Growth without protection is fragile. This changes how I see investing. That's financial maturity. Next episode, passive income? Now we're building systems. Sounds like an adventure. Smart money always is. We're just getting started. And this is how wealth is protected.